Hashgraph, Hedera, hashtag price prediction, hashtag 2020, hashtag HBAR, hashtag crypto, hashtag technical analysis, hashtag fear and greed index, Hashgraph, Hedera. If you want to be a part of our crypto pack, it's fairly easy to become a member. Just click that red box below the video. It says subscribe on it. Join us. It is completely free. If you want to further support the channel, you can tip the dinosaur. So for where and how, check out the description. And now, a quick glance at our top 10 coins and what's moving and shaking in today's crypto market. Well, you can see that our price movement and sentiment is mainly red, which is fairly expected, I should say, because the king Bitcoin at 17,877 is slowly but pretty surely falling down. Since we touched a few times our kind of levels of all-time highs, we now have downside targets. I think it's time for the retracement that we are waiting for, well, for a couple of, if not months, then surely weeks. In the section movers and shakers, you can see that there is no double digits in the upside, only to the downside. So yeah, we are retracing. But what do people feel about all these happenings in today's market? Let's see where we stand on our fear and greed index. Well, for the past few weeks, every time I check this index, always the same. Extreme greed. Come on, people, stop being so extremely greedish. 89 on the index. What is this indicating to us? Well, although we are seeing some downside potential, this is not it. We are supposed to cool off from these levels of extreme greed and then move to the upside once again. So I'm expecting more downside potential in any coin, especially Bitcoin. Some of you think that this is the retracement and that Bitcoin is done. No, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the retracement. It is fairly possible that Bitcoin consolidates for a few weeks and then go down, but upside potential for now, I'm not so sure. Historical values last month, last week, yesterday, now, everything extreme greed. But how is this looking at the chart? Let's see. This is your sentiment and emotion in the last 3 months. And the trend is pretty clear, an upside trajectory. It looked like your sentiment, your emotion is climbing every day to the indefinitely. But believe me, there is always definitely, and I will show you why. First, I want to point you out last couple of months, the levels of extreme greed are traveling in this channel that I just drawn you on the screen. The channel is fairly tilted, a little bit tilted to the upside, but your emotions are traveling in this channel. When we see the break of this channel, and that could be pretty soon, then we will see the price action falling radically. Okay, now why do I think that this channel will soon break to the downside? This is the answer. All of this movement from the last 3 months, you can see the clear, as we stated, uptrend. But if we draw this level of resistance, see the resistance here, here, and this level of support, we got ourselves an upward channel, a big channel, so that this little channel is inside of our bigger channel. Look at this support, support, support. And what do we have here? Just recently, a few days ago, we broke out of this channel. We even retraced to retest the channel one more time. And now awaiting sell-off to the downside. In my opinion, if we talk about human emotions, this is the beginning of a bigger retracement. Of course, this will reflect in the price action also. Keep an eye on this index. I will be updating you for the whole crypto space emotions. But now, let's head to that Hedera Hashgraph chart, the price prediction about HBAR that you all been waiting for. Let's go. We are on the 3-day chart of Hedera Hashgraph versus US dollar. This is our playing board for the price prediction that you've all been waiting for. But we are talking only about price prediction till the end of this year. So here is the 2021. So today topic is only price prediction and some kind of technical analysis about these levels. Next few candles. Okay, since this is our first video on HBAR, I must say that this chart looks pretty unusual, if that's the word that I would be using on this chart, and interesting. Why not? Why I'm saying that? Well, first thing that's catching my eye is a support, 2 cent support. I agree with me. Why wouldn't you? Support, break of support, break of resistance, support. This is very interesting and important level, because I never again in the bullish case of Hedera Hashgraph expect this support to be broken. So no matter what happens, I don't expect HBAR to go below 2 cents. Okay, on the opposite side, resistance, right? Resisting the price, again resisting the price. And now we got a big picture, a much clearer one. So what's the conclusion and what is interesting about this? Well, if we take this line, extend it to our namely resistance, what did we get? Ladies and gentlemen, raise this one. Do you see what I see? Perfect horizontal parallel channel. That is showing you everything that you need to know about this price. As we drew this support of the channel, resistance on the upside, we are now getting the middle line, some kind of median of the price action, and in an instant you know why the HBAR price got rejected. Do you see where we stopped just a few days ago? The median of the channel, it rejected us. We are now at 3 cents. The median is at around 4 cents. So by the probability, what is now in the cards? Well, 2 cents again. Yes, fairly probable. One more touch of the support. You can see how technical analysis can be fairly easy and simple. Drew one channel, you get all the answers, because although support and resistance are the most important lines, what about this middle line? You can see that it's creating a resistance, that it's kinda holding the price on its journey, and that is making a clear-cut resistance just a few days ago. So ladies and gentlemen, for me things are pretty simple. My price prediction according to this channel is fairly easy. As things stand, by the end of the year we are again at 2 cents, okay? 2 cents in the most bearish case. Our biggest line of resistance 5 cents. So 5 cents upside target. Now don't forget the median, 3 cents. There you go. By the end of this year I just gave you all the price targets. 2 cents to the downside. If we bounce to the upside, 3 cents again. If we break 3 cents, final target 5 cents. The resistance and the upper band of the channel. Now 2021, completely new story, because I expect this 5 cents to be broken, and of course upside targets, new targets will be given to you. But that is the future. We are not talking about our favorite year, 2020. Yeah, right, favorite you can think. And when will we break this upper band of the channel, this 5 cents. Well, why am I saying that we will make 5 cents and not 2 cents? It's simple. Because we are in a bull market. The crypto space is in a bull market. That is the only logical conclusion, the break of the upside targets, not the downside. Volume is one thing that will tell us when that will happen. And you can see from this point, we only had spikes smaller and smaller. When we break this 5 cents, you will see fireworks and a bigger candle. Maybe the one like this or even bigger. But that is yet to come. Now, if you raise all of this and plot a 50 period moving average, what do we get? Well, once again a clearer answer. 50 period on the 3-day chart can use as a strong support or as a strong resistance. You can see that we try to break this 50 period, but close, but no cigar. We are back above it. So, as a strong resistance, as it is a strong support, look at this, how it's holding the price. It is fairly logical of us to expect sometime below this 50 period moving average, and that is the journey to our 2 cents that we already mentioned. What could save us? Well, how about this 20 period moving average that we are traveling right now at the moment, that we made our destination? It could hold the price and help us a little bit. But on the other side, if we plot a 100 period, again a strong resistance, Hedera will have pretty tough time breaking these levels of 3 cents. Not only one but 2 fairly strong moving averages are holding the price. So for now, forecast as pretty neutral or bearish. More movement and consolidation in this channel, the big channel of Hashgraph. Next year things will change. Just have patience. Did you like my idea about your favorite coin, Hedera Hashgraph? If you did, smash a thumbs up. Put them high in the sky. If you didn't, check out one of these other videos that I'm showing you. Maybe one of these coins is also interesting to you. So, crypto travelers, I salute you. Bye.